Alright guys, today I'll be testing out my nail gun, and you could, this is like a pen gun, and you can make it with household supplies, and by household supplies I mean duct tape, a pencil that could fit BBs in there, and a pen, and a rubber band. That's all, you can make this with. And you would also need a sharp nail that could go into like a human, like that could go into human skin. So let's test the video out right now, and let's watch it work. Okay, let's test the video right here. And so this is what we got right here. And turn it around, and there it is. We got our nail gun. That's been shot now. Alright guys, that about wraps it up for today. So, bye.